Hi boys, welcome back with me in another video. Today, we are gonna play Minecraft but in Skyblock. Not just a normal Skyblock, but with this. So, let's maybe get over there cause we need a lot of food right now. So, let's just... Wait, I didn't even see the chest. Okay, let's just go. Okay. Oh, food. Food is probably good for us. Let's grab that and oh wait. Let me grab this. Okay. And let's try cook the animals with the lava so we can get cooked food, you know. So let's go. Okay. Let's start with the cows. Let's get the lava. Okay, look, boys, it's working. It is working. Wait. Oh God. Yes, that is cooked, right? Please. Yes, it worked, boys. It worked. Okay, that was big brain. Okay, let's just... Bro, they are they are slow falling. Come on, bro. It's like rainbow. It's turning into it's turning into pink. Wait boys, I need to do something. My mom called. No, wait. I need to feed my dog, so I will be right back. I will be right back, boys. Alright, boys, I am back. So let's get over there. What is this? Oh my gosh. Happy Halloween. Enjoy this stuff and the powerful act. It's not even Halloween, bro. But never mind. Oh, it is enchanted. What enchant it is? Let's see. And it is... Oh my god, bro. Sharpness B. Sharpness 5, I think, or it is sharpness 4. I don't really know. But we will use this for fighting. Okay. We will use that for fighting. Let me just grab that and make this. Listen, boys, we just need to go there. Okay, let's go. Bro, why I cannot bridge? Just good, thank you. Are we even close? Yep, we are so close right now, boys. Okay, what the? Did that villager just fall out of nowhere, bro? Hey, where did you? So there is villager house. Oh, right there. Okay, let's go here first. Okay. And Bob, Bob. Okay, do that. Let me just Bob. Oh God, I'm lagging. Okay. Okay, we are here, boys. We are here. Looks like there is fox and a chest. Holy moly. Fox spawn egg. Huh. I keep that. I don't need that. So, let's mine these. Okay? Let's go. Let's just use this for so it will be fast, cause with stone it is not fast at all. So we need to use iron. So it will be faster. What you doing? What you doing, bro? Give it back. Give it back or I'll kill you. Okay, I'll kill you. No! Not in the void. How am I supposed to get my wood back? It's okay. And let's just leave that. Psych. Okay, let's get this. Let's get over there. Let's try and getting over there. Okay. Okay, let's go. Look our wood. Like, bro, what? Like, we have so much food. Like, I don't even know what to do with them. Maybe shield, or what? Let's pull up. I see a spider over there. I see a spider. We do not know if it's normal spider or poisonous spider. By the way, I'm bad at PvP. And I'm on mobile phone, so yeah, lol. Let's just go over here. Wait, it's out of aim. Okay, good, good. Okay, let's just go. Are we close? Uh, we are not that so close yet, but we are a little bit close. Okay. And what spider is it? Where is the spider? Diamonds! Gosh, look, yep, poisonous. I knew it was poisonous. Bro, bro got deleted in one hit. Delete. Oh gosh, what is this? The coordinates that is so far away. So, uh, we, I can go there. So pretty far away. But, oh, diamonds, iron, lapis, a redstone, cool. I can probably get enchant right now, bro. And there is a pyramid. But there is sugar cane for enchants. Okay, of course. Let's get over there next. That bamboo forest. Okay, let's go there in the bamboo forest, cause bro, we need a lot of wood right now. So yeah, but bro, look at these diamonds. Look at these diamonds. Look at these diamonds, boys. Look at these diamonds. Look at these diamonds, boys. Okay, let's get stone first. Okay, let's get 8 stone. 1, 2, 3, no, 3, 4, 5. What's this? 4, 5, wait. 6. What's this? What is that? Yo, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh gosh. Boys. Diamonds. Diamonds. What's this too? Looks so suspicious to me, because everything here is dirt. And one deep slate block, I think. I forgot. But what's that? Let's go break it. Okay. Okay. It is. Oh my gosh, what is that? It is diamond. No cap. No cap, boys. It's diamonds. Okay. Let me just. Okay. Okay, we are now good. Okay, we are good. Let's get iron so we can mine these diamonds. Why there is so many diamonds? I mean, it's good that there is diamonds. But it's just let's kill these boys for EXP, maybe. And let's go right back here and get some coal. Okay. Okay, boys. Okay. Let's go. Gosh. Okay. I thought I'm just right through the cave. That's this corner. By the way, boys, this is just episode 1, and tomorrow is episode 2. So, yes. Okay, boys, that is gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is only part 1, and part 2 will come tomorrow. And peace.